Imagine transforming ordinary hot dogs into adorable sea creatures that are sure to delight both kids and adults alike. Welcome to the world of Octodogs, a fun and creative twist on a classic favorite. Octodogs are hot dogs cleverly cut and cooked to resemble miniature octopuses. These cute culinary creations are perfect for children's parties, fun get-togethers, or as a playful addition to a child's lunchbox. They're not only visually appealing but also quick and easy to make. To create these charming Octodogs, you'll need just one ingredient: 6 hot dogs. The entire process takes only 11 minutes, with 10 minutes for preparation and 1 minute for cooking. This recipe yields 12 Octodogs, serving 6 people. Let's dive into the simple steps to make your own Octodogs. First, bring a pot of water to a boil. While the water is heating, prepare your hot dogs. Cut each hot dog in half to create 2 Octodogs from 1 hot dog. Now for the fun part, creating the octopus legs. On one side of each hot dog piece, make 3 cuts, leaving about 1/3 of the rounded top intact for the octopus head. Flip the hot dog over and make 3 more cuts. You should now have 8 legs for your Octodog. Once your water is boiling and your hot dogs are cut, gently place the Octodogs into the water. Watch as the magic happens. The legs will curl up as they cook, giving your Octodogs their distinctive octopus-like appearance. This process takes only about 1 minute. For added personality, you can get creative with the presentation. Try using sesame seeds or small pieces of nori, which is dried seaweed, to create cute faces on your Octodogs. However, these little creatures have plenty of character on their own, so this step is entirely optional. Don't limit yourself to just one size of Octodog. Experiment with different sizes of hot dogs to create a variety of Octodogs. This can add even more visual interest to your plate and cater to different appetites. When serving your Octodogs, consider pairing them with colorful vegetables or a fun dipping sauce to complete the underwater theme. They're sure to be a conversation starter at any gathering. For those watching their nutritional intake, each serving of Octodogs contains approximately 149 calories, 13 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 5 grams of protein. Octodogs offer a playful way to enjoy a familiar food. They're a testament to how a little creativity in the kitchen can transform a simple ingredient into something truly special. So why not give Octodogs a try? They're bound to bring smiles to faces both young and old at your next meal or gathering.